Stop throwing your money in the trash can along with those freezer-burned steaks. Today, we're fixing your food storage game forever. I've tested the most popular FoodSaver models on everything from fragile potato chips to marinade-soaked steaks to see which ones actually hold a seal and which ones are just taking up counter space. I'm going to walk you through the top 5 FoodSaver Vacuum Sealers, starting from my least favorite to the absolute best one on the market. Number 5. FoodSaver 4800 series. On paper, this machine sounds like the ultimate kitchen assistant because it boasts fully automatic operation. The idea is that you don't have to press any buttons. You just slide the bag into the slot and the machine grabs it, vacuums it, and seals it. In my testing, this feature was definitely impressive at first glance. It feels very high-tech to just feed a bag in and watch it go to work without lifting a finger. I used it to seal up some dried mangoes and trail mix, and for dry goods, the automatic sensor generally kicks in right when you want it to. The built-in retractable handheld sealer is also a nice touch, allowing you to seal zipper bags and canisters without needing a separate attachment, which does save some hassle if you are meal prepping for the week. However, after living with the 4800 for a while, the automatic feature started to feel more like a limitation than a luxury. Because you rely entirely on the sensor to trigger the vacuum, you lose a bit of control. There were a few times when I was trying to seal a slightly oddly shaped piece of meat, and I struggled to get the machine to bite the bag correctly. I found myself wiggling the bag back and forth, trying to find that sweet spot to trigger the motor, which can be frustrating when you just want to get the job done quickly. 4. FoodSaver FM2100 Vacuum Sealer. This is your classic manual operation vacuum sealer. It's the kind of machine that looks and feels like it belongs in a hunter's garage or a busy prep kitchen. I respect the FM2100 for its simplicity. There are no fancy sensors to fail, just a sturdy latch and a big button. When I tested this with a batch of Sous Vide vegetables, I really appreciated the control. You place the bag in, you lock the lever, and you press seal. You know exactly when it's going to start, and you can stop it instantly if you see liquid creeping too close to the heat strip. It also has a dedicated roll storage and cutter inside, which is a must-have feature for making custom-sized bags. However, the user experience is a bit rough around the edges compared to the more modern iterations. The locking mechanism on the side is the main culprit here. To operate the FM2100, you have to turn a latch to lock the lid down before the vacuum will engage. In my testing, this latch was surprisingly stiff. It requires a fair amount of hand strength to crank it into the operate position. And after sealing about 10 bags of chicken breasts, my wrist was genuinely starting to feel it. It's not a smooth action. It's a mechanical, heavy clunk that makes the whole process feel a bit more like manual labor than it should. Another downside I found involves the bag alignment. 3. FoodSaver V4400. This machine essentially takes the concept of the number 5 pick, the automatic bag detection, and refines it into a much more usable package. When I switched to the V4400, the difference in smoothness was immediately noticeable. I used this machine to package a large salmon fillet, which is always a tricky task because you don't want to crush the fish. The automatic moisture detection on this unit is fantastic. It automatically switches to the moist setting if it senses liquid, ensuring the heat seal lasts longer to burn through any juice that might be in the way. That peace of mind is invaluable when you are freezing expensive proteins. The 2-in-1 design here features a retractable handheld sealer that is much better integrated than on previous models. I found myself using it constantly for things I wouldn't normally vacuum seal, like resealing a bag of cereal or keeping my coffee beans fresh in a canister. The retraction mechanism is snappy and keeps the counter tidy. Unlike the 4800, the sensors on the V4400 felt much more responsive to me. I didn't have to fight the machine to get it to grab the bag, it just seemed to know when I was ready. What I really loved during my testing was the consistency of the seal. I ran this machine through 20 back-to-back seals to see if it would overheat, and it kept up without triggering the cool-down safety mode, which is a common annoyance with cheaper sealers. 2. FoodSaver PowerVac Vacuum Sealer. In a world where appliances seem to be getting bigger and more complicated, the PowerVac goes the opposite direction. The design logic here is brilliant. It's a vertical storage machine. When you are done using it, you just flip it up on its side and it tucks away right next to your toaster or coffee maker, taking up barely any space. For anyone with a smaller kitchen or limited counter space, this feature alone makes it a winner. But don't let the size fool you. I tested this little guy against the big, heavy units, and the suction power is identical. I used the PowerVac to seal some very jagged, bone-in pork chops to see if the bag would puncture or if the vacuum would hold, and it pulled the plastic tight against the meat instantly. The moist and dry settings are clearly labeled and effective. I particularly enjoyed the latch mechanism on this one. Unlike the heavy crank on the FM2100, the PowerVac has a simple, easy lock latch that feels modern and requires zero force. It's satisfying to click shut. One of the standout features I noticed during testing was how little bag waste this machine creates. Because you are manually feeding the bag into the channel and locking it, you can get away with a much smaller margin of plastic at the top. Over the course of a year, that efficiency is going to save you several rolls of bags. FoodSaver FM5200 Vacuum Sealer. This machine solves every single complaint I had with the other models and introduces a workflow that is honestly genius. The standout feature here is the Express Bag Maker. On typical machines, making a bag from a roll is a tedious two-step process. You pull, cut, seal one end, then turn around and fill. The FM5200 lets you seal the bottom of the next bag while you're vacuum sealing the current bag. I timed myself processing 5 pounds of ground beef into 1 pound portions, and the FM5200 cut my time in half. The flow is incredible. The other massive improvement is the visibility. The FM5200 features a clear viewing window right where the seal happens. Remember how I complained about not knowing if the bag was wrinkled on the FM2100? With the FM5200, you have a front row seat. You can see exactly where the bag edge is, ensuring you don't waste plastic and guaranteeing a perfect seal every time. I tested this with some very saucy pulled pork, and being able to see the liquid moving toward the vacuum channel allowed me to hit the seal button at the precise moment before the mess hit the tray. The 2-in-1 functionality here is peak design. The retractable handheld sealer is located right on top, easy to grab and easy to stow. The suction power is phenomenal, and despite being a larger unit, the design is sleek with chrome accents that look great on the counter. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.